Unlike Day 2 and Day 3, Lakme Fashion Week का Day 4 रहा way too happening and star-studded. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये थी कि most of the stars came under one roof to support this noble cause. जितेंद्र, पूनम सिन्हा, जूही चावला से लेकर फिल्ममेकर्स फाराह खान, आशुतोष गवारीकर और कोरियोग्राफर वैभवी मर्चेंट तक, all the celebs graced the ramp. B-Town's hot beauties like Chitrangada, Prachi Desai, Hazel Keech, Aditi Rao Haidari, Ileana D'Cruz, Malaika Arora Khan, Dia Mirza ने भी दिखाया अपना जलवा and they even managed to set the stage on fire. इन सभी celebs ने Zoom से share किए अपने experiences too. Listen out to what all these stars had to say about the event.
I'm glad that I'm doing this today. When I was told that this is for the Weavers Association, I thought it's a great initiative and I loved the whole idea, the concept. In fact, when I saw the sari, I thought it was beautiful because generally, you know, जब आप बाहर जाते हो, you want to glam things up and आपको, you know, वो blingy and, you know, you like to try on stuff that looks a little more glamorous, heavier and, you know, appropriate. But you don't generally wear things which are so simple. And when I was told about the theme, you know, weavers को ध्यान में रख के and वो handloom industry को, you know, वो idea वापस लाना चाहते हैं 100 साल के बाद. I thought it's going to be great and I'm going to get a chance like this probably very rarely.
I wasn't expecting honestly in a sari, but I think a sari is far more sexier than a lot of other, you know, outfits on the stage. So yeah, I think it was lovely.
I like the simplicity of like the plain white dress with a nice shape, nice cut and like embroidery with little pops of colour. I think it's very comfortable.
Well, I think Payal, I've been wearing Payal recently and loving wearing her clothes. This time her collection is inspired by the Taj. So I don't know if it's bridal, but it is royal.
जहाँ ये सब हसीनाएं दिखी flaunting their Indian side, वहीं we spotted Jacqueline Fernandez in a Western attire, जिसे उन्होंने पहना था for a noble cause.
So today I'm here for PETA and a very, very important cause actually that PETA has brought up this time, and it's it's basically adopting homeless animals and homeless dogs, and so they've like put up this campaign, Compassionistas love Desi dogs, and you know, they've done amazing merchandise and stuff. So it's a very important, I think, cause that we're here for today.
Well, ये तो बात हुई our hot and sexy B-Town ladies की. अब जरा आपको मिलवाते हैं super hot actors से भी. आयुष्मान खुराना, कुणाल कपूर से लेकर डीनो मोरिया, अरबाज खान भी आए थे यहाँ. And all these stars walked for a cause. राम कपूर और काई पोछे की स्टार कास्ट भी यहाँ दिखी, supporting the cause.
जिस किस्म का माहौल है, I think it's a little more, we're very excited and happy and relaxed. It's not a very tense scenario. Nobody's here to, you know, really, it's for a good moment. It's for a good cause.
So whenever I walk, I recollect the days when I used to do a lot of shows, especially the first show I ever did when I was in Bangalore, when I was growing up in Bangalore. The first show I ever did in front of hundreds of people. And I was nervous actually, so I can imagine what they feel now.
फाराह खान और वैभवी मर्चेंट भी दिखी यहाँ walking the ramp.
Actually, जब स्वदेश उन्होंने लॉन्च किया था तो आशुतोष रणबीर and me launched it for Zarina and Ronnie. We were the three people who were called from the industry to launch Swadesh, and I think what Ronnie और Zarina जो कर रहे हैं, I think hats off to them. Walk is nothing, मैं उनके लिए Mount Everest तक चल जाऊँ. वो मुझे बुलाए नहीं वहाँ तक चलने, लेकिन if they call, I'll go.
Well, you know, मेरा डांस से जो ताल्लुक रहा है लाइफ में, so I wanted to bring an essence of the spirit of why we are here. And Swadesh Foundation is definitely very close to Zarina and Ronnie. And when they called me to be a part of this, I just did not even bat an eyelid. I didn't flinch at all. I said, yes, I'm going to be there.
आमतौर पर फैशन शो से दूर रहने वाले विनय पाठक ने भी इस बार किया रैंप वॉक.
As you can see, Agni ji has trained me well. We have been practicing it for the last 9 months, every day, 5 hours a day. And if it is successful, I have to say it's her diligence and my willingness to practice every day. So yeah.
वैसे शो में विद्या बालन भी अपने हबी सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर के साथ आई हुई थी to cheer for the cause. तो ये थी लैक्मे फैशन वीक के डे 4 की सारी इंटरेस्टिंग हाइलाइट्स एंड अपडेट्स. वेल, नाउ वी होप कि डे 5 भी रहे इतना ही ग्रैंड एंड हैपनिंग. रुद्रानी चटोराज एंड सलमान खान, Zoom, Mumbai.